What up, Chaos Squad? Good morning, Sabah wa Naxam, bonjour, Sabah al Khair, Goeiemorgen, Guten Morgen. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day, because I'm having a beautiful day today. Today is Wednesday. We have a nice, well, when I say we, because I'm with like the doctors and the old team basically. If you haven't watched the videos, make sure you go watch my Sela videos. Beautiful. But anyway, I'm with 4 doctors and 2 like GPs. We are off to Ergabo, which is the eastern region, which is like basically mountains, greenery, cliffs. We're gonna go to the beach as well, Maydh. We're going to Hargeisa, which is another beach area, and a lot of history as well, of course, you know, a lot of things. If you guys want to come, make sure you come along. We're just here at the supermarket right now. We're gonna grab some food. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Osodo Wade. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and yeah, let's go get this vlog. What up, guys? We are currently just packing up right now, getting ready to head to Ergabo. You might remember some of the people on my vlogs already. Yep, that's right. So they were the same group that I went to Zela with, Sa'adeddin Island, Ibad Island, to the west basically. They're the same group kind of that I went with. But now we're doing a free health checkup for the coastal guards and for the communities out in the eastern region where they're doing the free health checkup. I'm just going, of course, to vlog it and also to kind of make a documentary for them so they can use some of the footages, the photos and things like that. They'll be able to use as well. Of course, you know, we're working together, you know, as a team, as a community, you know. That's what the most important thing is, collaboration. Collaborate and listen. All right, guys, yeah, let's go. I think packing up is nearly done. I'm gonna help out with it. So you wanna come sit in the back with me?
Yes, sir.
Come, Sodo Wade in the back.
Because you are Khalid.
Adam.
I wouldn't accept anyone.
Thank you, thank you.
What
What happened last time you were in the back? What happened last time?
Wallahi, sahib, I have too much trauma, sah. Then I have neck pain.
How long did you have neck pain for?
1 week.
1 week?
Yes.
Right.
Even I was close to take X-ray.
Did you go see one of the doctors?
Yeah, but I used some anti-pain and Bomat and, you know.
Okay. So the back is dangerous, huh?
Oh, wallahi, sah. Yeah. Because I was, you know, sleeping and then the car was suddenly, you know. Even I think Mubarak was sleeping.
That's why it was
night,
so, yeah.
yes. Even the driver. One time back.
No, but no, it's not that bad now. The road is not that bad.
Yeah.
Because it's just little bumps.
You wanna taste this?
What's that?
Celine Ma'an.
Ma'an, huh?
Yeah. But actually it's not that much sweetie.
It's not that sweet. What's up, guys? We've just stopped off for like a tea break. My boy here is selling qat. If you wanna joke. So actually this is like a qat spot, but they also serve tea because the restaurant next door didn't serve tea. So right now I'm just chilling in the qat place. I got my date biscuit, of course, you know, very important because I have this without sugar. So this area, I guess, is called Hudsa, this village. So it's just before like Burt Sheikh, which is like the Sheikh Mountains. Let's go.
You have recorded Burt Sheikh Samaha already.
Yes, I have.
2, 1, come up.
So when you sit in the back, this is what you have to do every time. Get out. Like we've come to a very nice place to grab some lunch. Amina's dad invited all of us, alhamdulillah, mashallah, to have some lunch here. So of course it's going to be the Somali lunch, but let's go see what it is, yeah? I'm going to guys show you the place as well, okay? Let's go have a look. What up guys, we have just done eating right now, alhamdulillah, full. Now we have like a 6-hour drive all the way to Ergabo basically. We were already traveling for like nearly 5 or 6 hours, but anyway, so we came all the way here. This is a very nice place to stop. It's literally on the border of Bur'o. So come over, stop, have lunch. Kids can just chill, stretch your legs, go for a walk, whatever, you know, the kids can play in the play area. And then yeah, we're off to Ergabo right now. I will see you in the car. Also, KO food recommendation, KO food review. I got the hanid. The one I got was like too much fat, to be honest with you. So the safest choice actually is to go for the fish finger. The fish finger looked very good. But the hanid tasted really nice, like the flavoring. It had kind of like a bechamel, not bechamel, like a red sauce bechamel kind of taste, but it's like fried a bit. The taste was nice, but there was like hardly any meat. But when you did get the meat, it was like really nice. But the fish finger looked good as well. Obviously they serve the Somali, standard Somali kind of food for lunch. The rice, the pasta, the chips, the meat, the hanid, the fish finger, the chicken, you know, they do all the normal basically food, Somali food for lunch. But yeah, we're gonna go grab a photo and we'll see you in the car.
يا اخي لما راسي ده
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, sorry. What up, KO squad? So we're just taking a break right now, stretching our legs. Drivers like having a cigarette as well. Yeah, best time to come out. So it is so beautiful here, man. To be honest, the way is not even as bad as the way to Zela. If I have to give you guys a recommendation already, the recommendation would be come to the eastern region basically. Come to Ergabo, Dalo, Bur'o, anywhere after Bur'o, go to that side basically. The roads aren't as bad, they're still pretty bad. As you can see, look
Look at the road. Like, it's not even a road, but at least there's something. So with a 4-wheel drive, obviously you'll just go over it.
really nicely. But other than that, look at the mountains behind me. Like, the scenery is crazy. Like, it's all green. We saw some gazelles everywhere. Yeah guys, bit of a problem. We got a flat tire obviously, but that's cool, you know. That's part of the adventure, part of the journey. And yeah, really, it's a really good time now to look into the stars. But It's so amazing here. Like, luckily we're not in some crazy country where it has like crazy animals, because if we are now, the lions, the hyenas will be coming to get us. But I don't think there's anything too crazy here. Maybe just like, I don't know, lizard maybe or something, I don't know, but they're scared of you anyway. But let's enjoy the stars. I'm gonna switch off the lights, trying to tell them to switch the lights, and we're just gonna do some stargazing. Somaliland's beautiful. Change the time. That's another flat tire right there, and this one's even worse. But alhamdulillah, we've stopped in like an actual like village, kind of like a big city. So we're gonna get the tires fixed. But yeah, so tired. It's like nearly 10 p.m.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I was going to take the what?
The tea. He was gonna take the tea and pour it to do with those. That's how much you want the tea, huh? You want the tea so bad.
Yeah. And that's also telling that how much he was being tired.
Yeah, that's how tired we are. Weso lalo, bio, mahasha.
What up, Chaos Squad? So yeah, this is just an update, guys. The time now is like 3:30 a.m. in the morning. We've been traveling for I don't even know how long. I got birds living on my rooftop, just pure craziness so far. I'm just gonna give like a quick highlights. Today I didn't even vlog anything, I'm not even gonna lie, too many things because I couldn't. Driving from Hargeisa, we had 2 flat tires that we had to change. We got to Adig or something like that, a village basically. We stopped, we slept there because we had another flat tire. We got up, we went, but while we were there, basically the eastern region, just to highlight, eastern region is not that safe, guys. It is safe for us, like alhamdulillah, we've made it here. But of course, while we were in that village, 2 people like got shot up basically. Basically there's like a tribal war between 2 tribes, Haba Yunus and Haba Chalo. Now of course they go smaller sub clans, but I don't know what the sub clans are, but basically 2 tribes fighting each other. So someone got shot in a nearby village, so then they shot for retaliation, like eye for eye kind of thing. They shot someone else as well from the other tribe. We were in that village basically, but of course they're not going to just shoot you up, you know. It's kind of like an eye for an eye thing. Then we kept going, we got to Ergabo. Alhamdulillah, everything was good. We just had lunch, and then we drove straight all the way to Maydh. Maydh is like an ancient port city, so we're here. But to go through to Maydh, again, this is just highlights, is we go through like guerrilla kind of like army spot basically. There's this, I don't know if it's a rebel group, I don't know what you can call them, but basically like guerrillas that there's no government in the eastern region. There's not that much of a government, you know. Everyone, if you have a gun, you're your own government. If you have your gun, we got stopped obviously by them for like an hour and a half. We just sat, there's 9 of us in a Land Cruiser, and then we ended up just giving them like 20 boxes of Panadol extra and like 5 packets of something for your gastric kind of problems. And then yeah, we got through, but then of course we told them a lot of lies. Well, I didn't tell them anything because I don't speak Somali, which I was trying not to. Everyone was like, yo, today you're deaf, okay, deaf and dumb, you can't speak or anything. I was like, shit, okay. So obviously I did a very good acting. No one asked me questions or anything. Luckily no one spoke to me, because if they found out, yeah, I don't speak Somali, probably a bit risky. Yeah, we got through, but of course we told them a bit of some lies, like because they don't want any military people coming through. Of course they're against the military. Now it's not against like they're every time they see a military they're gonna shoot them. No, but like you're a spy. If you're military and you're coming near my ends, you're a spy, you know, kind of thing. Unfortunately, we had like a guy with us, coastal guard with us. So of course he's considered part of the army, but he said he was part of the doctor team with us. I don't know how. Basically, I don't know how it's going to be heading back home. Like it's gonna be mad. It's gonna be mad. It's adventure though, but it's like craziness. Anyway, this is just a highlight, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. There's nothing much. They're like just beautiful, but just the beautiful side is, oh my god, beautiful scenery. Like literally just drive up to Erigabo. You don't need to go past there, to be honest. It's really bumpy and everything. The roads after Erigabo to Maydh is like crazy bumpy, and it's like you're going through the mountain and stuff. And don't do it at night. If you're going to travel to Maydh, that's okay. Travel to Maydh, obviously plan it way ahead of time. But come during the day. Travel during the day. We were traveling during the night. This is like 7 o'clock at night. It's dark. Bare guys just coming from it everywhere. Like they're black as well, so you don't see them coming. You know, they just come out from the window like, oh, what are you? You know, and you just like she and a whole little army is there basically, guerrilla army. But yeah, recommendation: drive at night. It's beautiful though to Erigabo. Like literally, I felt like I was in the savannas, like in South Africa. You know, the safaris. Literally, there was green lands, there was plain lands, there was dry land. But yeah, there's no like zebras or like crazy animals. Like literally, I wish I had the power just to drop in some animals. We could have dropped some cheetahs here, dropped some meerkats here. All these, they would have survived here. Of course, just make some water for them, some place for them to drink. But all these animals, not giraffe, elephants. There was a bit that reminded me of like South African safari where the elephants like hide between the big like semi-high bushes. Anyway, it's beautiful, man. Like the scenery is something else. That's all I can say. The scenery is something else. Is it worth all this risk and stuff? I think if you just plan it, pre-plan it properly, we didn't pre-plan it, it is definitely worth the risk. And we haven't even seen the rest of the beautiful part. We're just in Maydh right now. Like I said, it's the sea. I haven't even seen the sea because it's like 3 a.m. I'm gonna go to bed. That's just the highlight, guys. Sorry, no vlog for today, but hopefully tomorrow. We're here, by the way, guys, to do a free health checkup. Well, the doctors are here to do a free health checkup, and I'm here to kind of like on holiday, but also to document it for them, so they have some videos and some photos that they can show of their journey. So I'm helping them out, you know, so it's like a win-win situation. So Dalo, once I've done this part, I've done the west, I've done this part, I've done kind of like all the middle part. Alhamdulillah, Somaliland, I would have seen most of it. Guys, make sure you support my Patreon page so I can keep doing these kind of things, because it ain't free, you know. And yeah, you see, I'm even living in these kind of places, trying to keep it cheap, guys. Don't worry, your money's going to a good place. Support me on my Patreon so I can stay in Somaliland and keep making amazing content for you. Otherwise, I'll have to head back to England, you know, grey, gloomy England, and then no more content from Somaliland unless someone else comes and does it. But don't see anyone coming anytime soon. So good night, ben accent, bonne nuit, good night, peace, blessings, ski ski, bye.